Your Instagram account is no longer yours. The moment that hacker changed your primary email and unlinked your phone number, they didn't just take your photos, they hijacked your digital identity and locked the door behind them. You're sitting there hitting forgot password over and over again, but those reset links are going straight to the attacker's inbox. The two-factor authentication you thought would protect you, it's been bypassed. But what the attacker doesn't know is that they haven't cleared the hardware-level handshake tokens stored on your physical device. There is a specific technical sequence, a logic bypass, that allows you to force Instagram's internal security protocol to recognize your device over the hacker's new credentials. We are initiating a deep-level recovery bypass right now. Before we move into the first step, I need to know, how long has it been since you were locked out? Minutes, hours, days? Drop the time frame in the comments right now so I can gauge the server-side persistence we're dealing with. Alright, just to be clear, this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or condone anyone using the information provided in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or perform unauthorized access to any system. Our goal here is strictly to assist legitimate owners in regaining access to their own personal data. If this technical walkthrough helps you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Fastest Fix, and share this with anyone currently battling a breach. If your situation has escalated beyond a DIY fix, or you require a specialist for accurate stolen money recovery, remote monitoring of your kids' devices for safety, or professional account restoration, check the pinned comment in the video description. You'll find links there to contact certified experts who handle these high-level recoveries every single day. So, to begin the bypass, we have to exploit the known device metadata. Even though the hacker changed your password and email, the Instagram servers still have your specific hardware ID flagged as the primary trusted source. To trigger the manual override, you must first purge the application's cache. Not just a simple delete, but a full partition wipe of the app data. When you reinstall, you aren't going to use the login screen. Instead, you are going to navigate through the Need More Help link, which only appears after a specific sequence of failed authentication attempts on a recognized MAC address. If you aren't seeing the Try Another Way option, it's because your local handshake hasn't been reinitialized yet. While that reinitialization sequence runs in the background, we need to address the session hijacking that likely got you here. Most hackers use a session token theft script. If they've already accessed your financial info or other sensitive accounts, don't wait. Remember, there are certified experts available for accurate stolen money recovery and advanced monitoring to prevent further damage. You can find those tools and resources in the pinned comment right now. Quick question for the community. Did you get a suspicious email before this happened, or did the app just log you out of nowhere? Let's identify the attack vector in the comments so others stay safe. The next phase is the biometric identity loop. This is honestly the core of the bypass. When the system realizes you have no access to the email, phone, or two-factor authentication, it will eventually offer a video selfie verification. Most people fail this because, well, they don't understand the AI's matching logic. The system isn't just looking at your face, it's comparing the metadata of the video against the archival trust graph of your previous posts and story history. If your lighting is inconsistent, or you're using a different lens than your typical uploads, the AI flags it as a deepfake. You have to match the historical environmental data logged on their servers before the hacker took control. As we move into the final handshake, network security is your biggest hurdle. If you are still on the same Wi-Fi where the breach occurred, the hacker may have a man-in-the-middle script running to intercept the recovery token the moment it's generated. You must execute the final identity claim over a fresh mobile data connection to force a new IP routing path. This breaks the hacker's active session and forces the meta servers to prioritize your new, localized request. If you want to stay updated on the latest security loopholes and growth strategies, make sure you are subscribed to Fastest Fix. We provide the fastest solutions for your digital survival. For those of you who have followed these steps and are still facing a request denied error, the hacker may have blacklisted your device ID. In these extreme cases, you need a professional-grade intervention. Don't lose hope. You can find the contact info for certified experts specializing in remote monitoring for family safety and professional account recovery in the description and the pinned comment below. Using these resources is the most effective way to ensure you aren't permanently deleted from the platform. Protect your data, stay vigilant, and never trust a third-party login link. Thanks for watching Fastest Fix. I'll see you in the next one.